most important thing in snooker is to control this white ball, which is a mystery for many. If you don't know how to play a stunt shot, if you don't know how to play a follow shot, if you don't know to play a screw shot, then you might be struggling with your game. If you really want to improve your game seriously, download AQ Snooker Mentor app. It has snooker coach and a training coach. In Snooker Coach, you will get a proper snooker coaching, and you will apply all that snooker coaching which you have learned, you got from Snooker Coach, you will apply it in Training Coach. Which is also very important part of AQ Snooker Mentor app. Don't wait. Link in the description or scan the QR code and download AQ Snooker Mentor app in your mobile. It's a bilingual app for Urdu and English language. And start doing same practice. Don't go for just potting straight away. Make sure you're technically strong so you can move. Some good, decent hit. कि आप उसमें जाना कैसे है, इसको प्री शॉट रूटीन भी कह सकते हैं आप, लेकिन प्री शॉट रूटीन का थोड़ा सा हिस्सा ज़्यादा है, इसमें हम लाइन ऑफ एम के साथ कनेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं.